So we were studying stability of system and sketching the phase portrait. In that direction, we have taken examples that eigenvalues are real, they may be repeated or they may be complex. So first example was that you have real eigenvalue, both are negative, then both are positive. And this is the third example. You have real eigenvalues and both are of opposite signs. So one is negative, another one is positive. So take a matrix A, you can find its eigenvalue by solving the characteristics polynomial. And the results are first eigenvalue is 4 and corresponding eigenvector is 5, 2. Second eigenvalue is -1, which is negative, and corresponding eigenvector, they are multiple of 0, 1. So we draw the phase portrait in x1, x2 plane. So firstly, uh, draw the direction of both eigenvector. Okay, so first eigenvector is 5, 2, so it will be somewhere here, 5, 2. So you can write here, and this is just direction of V1. And second eigenvalue is -1 and eigenvector is 0, 1. So 0, 1. What will be 0, 1? On y-axis. So corresponding to negative eigenvalue. And this is negative, so you need to put arrow towards the origin. Since this factor will give you exponential minus t. As t is increasing, you are going towards the origin. And second, this will give you e power 4t. So you are going away from the origin. Okay. So, and also we know that uh, e power 4t will be control everything as t increases. So e power 4t, as time increases, e power 4t will be bigger than e power minus t. So solutions will, solution maybe you can start, they are going in that direction. Okay. But after some time, they will go into this direction. This is just an example. Or you can take any solution near this going in that direction, but after some time it will go in e power 40 direction. Okay, so you can also put arrow here. Okay, so you can take a solution here and that will go towards the e power 40. So this is an example that you have uh, eigenvalue of opposite signs, and of course we are taking only critical point is 0, 0. Why it is 0? If you take
Determinant of
A, that is non-zero. So you will get only trivial solution of Ax equal to 0, that is 0 0. You need to write that stuff. Okay, just put some words.
सर एक एग्जांपल में लिखवा दो.
And this is an example of, as we discussed previously, uh, first was stable, even asymptotically stable, when you had both negative eigenvalue. So you are going towards the origin. And second point was when you have two positive eigenvalues, so you are going away. That in that case, critical point is unstable. And when you have opposite eigenvalue, in this case, critical point is known as saddle point. So, so this is a critical point origin. Next example, now I'm going to take repeated eigenvalues, and they can be negative or they can be positive. So I'm taking a matrix -7, -4, 1, -3. You can check that eigenvalue is -5. So, so -5, -5, and you can check eigenvector is 1, 2. So we have negative eigenvalue. So all solutions goes into the origin. Okay? Towards the origin. So, but here we need some extra information. X1, this is X2. If you take lambda 1 2 will be 1, 2 will be somewhere here. Okay, so critical point is origin, so you are going towards the origin. So the lambda equal to -5 negative eigenvalue, but since we have only one, so now I need to check that, let us say you have one solution here. So will it go like this or will it go like this? Okay, so that is called direction. But here we need to check the direction. अब डायरेक्शन का मीनिंग क्या है कि जैसे आप आपने एक वेक्टर लिया, सिमिलर अलजेब्रिक, you apply a on x. Okay, let us take I have taken एक वेक्टर मैंने ये लिया, यहाँ पे मैट्रिक्स अप्लाई किया, आंसर मेरा आया कुछ कॉलम वेक्टर में भी ये आया। तो इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ, ये आपका एक वेक्टर था, मैट्रिक्स ने रोटेट करके इसको ये बना दिया। सो रोटेटिंग, व्हेन यू अप्लाई a on x you got different vector, और मे बी अगर यहाँ मिलेगा तो आप कहोगे कि इसको रोटेट करके ये कर दिया है, क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। तो अब डायरेक्शन बताने के लिए हमने क्या करना है, यू जस्ट नीड टू टेक वन रैंडम पॉइंट। ओके, यहाँ पे कोई पॉइंट ले लो, कहीं भी ले लो इसके आसपास, यहाँ ले लो, इस साइड ले लो, इस साइड कहीं पे भी पॉइंट ले लो। तो सबसे सिंपल पॉइंट है आपके कौन से होते हैं, 1 0 ले लो, कि कोई सोल्यूशन यहाँ से पास होगा तो कहाँ जाएगा वो, और यू कैन टेक हियर any take any point just for example. Okay, so so what we write here, so uh, since the eigenvalue is negative. So all solutions goes into the origin. Into the origin. And in this case, the critical point is called stable. So here we don't know in which direction other solution another solutions go towards the origin. So we take a random point. You can take 1 0 or any other or something else. Then what we do, we apply matrix on A. I'm writing it on next page. So then we apply matrix A यानी कि -7 -4 1 -3 ऑन से 1 0 मल्टीप्लाई करना है. आपको आंसर मिला -7 -4 नेगेटिव. So what you got? Your point is here 1 0 and -7 4 will be, both are negative, will be somewhere here. So this means solution जो ऐसे नहीं जाएगा, ऐसे नहीं चला जाएगा, वो घूम के इधर जाएगा पहले, मे बी हियर. ठीक है, तो कैसे लिखोगे इसको? सो एनी सोल्यूशन, just an example, so any solution passing this point will go somewhere here and जाना origin पे है, so then we'll approach here. और इधर भी आप ले सकते हो एग्जांपल लेना, यानी कि इस ब्रांच के साथ जो जा रहा है वो दूसरे के साथ घूम के जाएगा. जो इधर जा रहा है इस ब्रांच के साथ, वो ऐसे सीधा नहीं जाएगा. कैसे जाएगा? इधर से घूम के ऐसे जाएगा. So this is just to check direction, whether you are approaching clockwise or anti-clockwise towards the critical point. Of course, these are not final sketch. These are rough sketch of behavior of solution. Okay. You can say okay. No. इतना बोरिंग तो नहीं है दिव्या?
Yes, sir.
आ गया सर समझ. ओके,
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
सर आ गया
तो नहीं
समझ.
कर रहा था लेकिन.
सर आ गया समझ.
आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही, पता नहीं अब क्या दिक्कत है. Okay, so next example, so you can say this is example. So next example, repeated eigenvalues. both are positive. So take a matrix A, 2, 1 by 3, minus 3, 4. Find eigenvalue, which are 3, 3, repeated, and eigenvector, they are multiple of 3 and minus 1. So eigenvalue is positive. So all solutions goes away from the origin. So you will have factor e power 3t. In this case, the critical point which is 0, 0 is unstable. It's known as unstable critical point. So in the same manner, so we take a random point to check the direction. We take a random point. You can take anything. पहले मैंने 1 0 लिया था. Take say 0 1. Then apply matrix A on this vector. So you got minus 3, 4. So from the point 0 1, we need to go minus 3, 4 counterclockwise direction. So I'm sketching in the next figure. You will see. So firstly, show the eigenvector, which was 3 minus 1. So where will be 3 minus 1? 3 minus 1 somewhere here.
Fourth quadrant.
Okay. So going away. अब हमने पॉइंट लिया था, रैंडम पॉइंट लिया था मैंने ये 0 1. आप ये भी ले सकते हो, आपकी चॉइस. So we have taken 0 1, but you got minus 3 and 4. जाना तो दूर है कि some solution will pass here. अब वो दूर ऐसे जाएगा कि दूर ऐसे जाएगा, ये चेक करना है आपने. Okay, so any solution starting from origin will go in that direction or will go in that direction, that you need to check. Point यहाँ ले लो, चाहे आपकी मर्जी कहीं पे लेके देख लो. So to check the direction, so any solution which passes through 0 1 going into the direction of, ये आएगा तो minus 3 4 will be somewhere here. Minus 3 4 आंसर आएगा. Minus 3 4, x negative, y positive. Okay. इधर भी आप चेक कर सकते हो. Any solution will passes through this point. This is 0 minus 1 will go in that direction. You can check. So critical point is unstable. कई बुक्स में ऐसा बना होता है फिगर ऐसे कि ये v1 है, ये v2 है. So these are the direction of eigenvectors. Okay, so here you have only one eigenvector. So that is going into that direction. So you have solution, they are proportional to e power something and multiply by vector. So e power lambda t is a number. So solution has direction as eigenvector. So this was the case 2, which has two sub cases, that repeated eigenvalue, both positive, both negative. Now we need to check third case. थर्ड केस कौन सा होगा? कॉम्प्लेक्स आइगन वैल्यू, कॉम्प्लेक्स आइगन वैल्यूज विद, पहला एग्जांपल है विद दैट डिपेंड ऑन रियल पार्ट, दैट नेगेटिव रियल पार्ट. फिर सेकंड एग्जांपल होगा विद पॉजिटिव रियल पार्ट, एंड थर्ड विल बी जीरो. सो as an example, I am taking a matrix which has complex eigenvalue. You can check that eigenvalue is -2 plus -3 iota. So this is the complex eigenvalue with -2 real part. So solution will have e power minus something, e power -2t, perfectly fine. Also will have sine or cos, sine and or cos. Sine cos आएंगे ना इसमें, due to this 3 iota. And we know that sine and cos, they are bounded. There is no problem. So solution will behave like e power -2t when t is large. And we know that e power -2t will approaches to 0 as t is large. Okay, so due to sine or cos, we will get spiral, and one good thing that here we don't need eigenvector, as due to sine or cos, we will get spiral. So something like that. Okay, they may be circle in special cases. So we will get spiral. So since the eigenvalue has negative real part, so all solutions goes into the origin. To check the direction, इसमें भी check करना पड़ेगा. So you can take any point. For an example, I'm taking 1 0. You got -2 -3. So solution which passes through 1 0 will goes into -2 and -3. Okay, so we know that location of both points. तो स्पाइरल कैसे बनेंगे? So you have something कुछ इस टाइप से बनेगा. ये मैंने पॉइंट दिया था, एरो पॉइंट करना है 1 0. 1 0 से सोल्यूशन किधर गया? ऐसे गया कि ऐसे गया? 1 0 से गया इस वाली डायरेक्शन में, -3 4 नेगेटिव वाली साइड में, तो इस डायरेक्शन में. सो So put arrow in that direction. So start from this, goes like this, and end at origin, at critical point. So this is called stable spiral. So critical point is known as stable spiral. और अगर उल्टा होता, अगला एग्जांपल है, then you will go away, so in that direction. Then you have positive real part. So next case is complex eigenvalue. With positive real part. So I'm taking a matrix which has complex eigenvalue with positive real part. So if lambda be an eigenvalue of A, then lambda equal to 2 plus minus 3 iota. You can check. Since lambda, real part of lambda is 2, which is positive, so all solutions goes away from the critical point, which is origin. So in this case, critical point is unstable. So the critical point is unstable spiral. And to check the direction, we need to apply matrix A on a vector, say 1 0. You got 2 minus 3. So any solution any solution passing through 1 0 will go into direction of 2 minus 3.
Sir,
These things are easy, but when you are doing with me, it seems easy, but practice karna inki. People say that they forgot in exam. Okay, so any solution which passes through 1 0 will goes to 2 minus 3. Here, like so start from, अब origin से दूर जाना है, so start from origin. Any solution passing through this point will towards, so start from origin, go in that direction and going away. So this is unstable spiral. When you have positive eigenvalue. Of course, in exam you need to write in systematic manner. Maybe let us say you got this example, so you will say that consider the system x dash equal to ax, where A is this matrix, and draw the phase portrait, okay, and sketch the direction of solution. Okay, so like this. And sometimes we ask when you have these cases, so we ask that draw at least 2 or 3 directions. So maybe, so you can count 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, अगर 4 कहें तो घबराना नहीं है, एक यहाँ से ले लो, ये बना लो. Okay, so you can draw as many directions as you want in the same fashion. यहाँ पे तो वो सेम पैटर्न बनेगा, यहाँ तो स्पाइरल टाइप का बनेगा. So next example, last one, complex eigenvalue where real part is 0. So this is the very nice case. So solution won't have e power something. So they will be, that will be 1, e power 0. So you only have sine or cosine. For example, take matrix A. You can find its eigenvalue, which are minus under root 5 iota. Okay. So since eigenvalue has real part equal to 0, so all solutions stay on a circle. सर्कल की पैरामीट्रिक फॉर्म बन जाएगा sin cos. So they stay on a circle. So in that case, critical point which is 0, 0 is called center. So here we don't know the direction, so we pick a random point. We take a random point, say 1, 0, and then apply matrix A on this random point to put the arrows. Oh, sorry, I need to write here. So 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. So any solution which passes through 1, 0 will goes towards 0 minus 5. सर्कल तो एक ही बनेगा ना, बस एरो लगाना है आपने. कैसे लगाना है बताओ. एनी सॉल्यूशन, कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल बना सकते हो आप, बहुत सारे कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स. ऐसे लगेगा, ऐसे लगेगा. 1, 0 this, 0 minus 5 this, इधर जाएगा इस साइड को. So in that direction. So this was an example of, then you have complex eigenvalue with the real part. Okay, so that way is used to study phase portrait of linear system, and you can also apply some stuff for non-linear system. So now I'm formally writing a definition, also be used here. So if you have two different eigenvalue which are real with same sign, then critical point which is 0, 0 is called a node. Okay, so they are of same sign. अब सेम साइन का क्या हो सकता है, या तो दोनों पॉजिटिव हैं, then node is called, that we used in going away. node is called a source. Source मतलब कोई दूर ले जा रहा है आपको, something here. अब सेकंड केस क्या हो सकता है, दोनों नेगेटिव भी हो सकती हैं. If both are negative, then node is called a sink. So everything will approach towards the sink. Okay, similar to kitchen sink. Towards the, okay. Source means away, sink means towards. So you can check from previous example, a sink is stable and a source is unstable. So a source is unstable. Also, you can study more examples for system. So now we little bit goes in the direction of non-linear system, and that technique is called as stability by Lyapunov method. Stability by Lyapunov's method. So this idea was given by mathematician Alexander Lyapunov, and method is also called that Lyapunov method. So this is somehow related to energy of the system. Those who have studied physics, so energy. So if total energy in a physical system has a local minima, then that point is called stable. So that is based on basic principle that every physical system will remain into minimum energy state. ओके, एनर्जी ज्यादा होगी तो वो स्टेबल नहीं होगा, सो मिनिमम एनर्जी होगा तो वो स्टेबल होगा. दैट इज द की पॉइंट ऑफ स्टेबिलिटी बाय लियापुनोव मेथड. अब मिनिमम का मीनिंग है, सो दैट विल हैव लोकल मिनिमा, एंड यू नो हाउ टू फाइंड मैक्सिमा एंड मिनिमा ऑफ एनी फंक्शन. So we consider an autonomous system. Autonomous system, which is dx by dt, and second equation is dy by dt equal to g of xy. Okay, so likewise before we assume that this system has a critical point which is 0 0. Okay, so we assume that 0 0, yeah, origin is the critical point. Let C पैरामीट्रिक फॉर्म लिखा है x और y की फॉर्म में. मान लो कि सिस्टम आपका 2x2 है, सो यू हैव वेरिएबल x एंड y. ओके, सो लेट C बी ए पाथ of given system and consider a function exy which is continuous and has uh, continuous first order partial derivative. First order partial derivatives on that path, जो भी path होगा, जो भी whatever path you have see. So in that, on that path, this function e is continuously differentiable function. So you can treat it, since x and y they are function of t. So we can also we can think that e is a function of t. Okay, so the change in e, change means de by dt. अब e चेन रूल लगाओ, x पे जाएगा, x t पे जाएगा, ओके, और dy by dt. अब ये सिस्टम में dx by dt को हमने f लिखा है, so this will be partial derivative with respect to x. This is f, और short में हम लिख सकते हैं to save the time. So this is partial derivative with respect to x. dx by dt is f, and this is partial derivative with respect to y, and this is dy by dt is g. Okay, so change in that function, and we will put some conditions, and we will say that this e is Lyapunov function, or you can say on what conditions this function e is known as Lyapunov function. Okay, so we have defined a function e, and with certain conditions, this function will be known as Lyapunov function. Okay, so in next class, we will construct, or we will put conditions on e so that this becomes Lyapunov function, and this function is used to check the stability of an autonomous system. अब पहले जैसा नहीं करना पड़ेगा, पहले तो लीनियर था. When you have linear system, you can sketch the phase portrait easily. But when you have a non-linear system, it's not easy to sketch the phase portrait. So we will go, this is an alternate way. This is just another way to check the stability of any non-linear system with some restrictions, of course. We will continue in next class. Since you are not audible, so I can't take any queries. Okay, so bye bye for now.